In this video, I will show you how to use this new AI tool to create presentation. The name of this tool is Plus AI. With Plus AI, no more endless hours creating PPT. Plus AI is transforming documents into captivating presentations. Seamlessly integrating with Google Slides and PowerPoint, it's your shortcut to pro-level slides. To use this tool, follow the link in the description below. Here's how Plus Docs is changing the game. Once again, let me welcome you to Ray Creators Lab. This channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest AI and online tools needed to streamline your daily workflow. If you are new here, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notification for more videos like this. In case you have any AI tool you want me to make video about, just let me know in the comment section. For creators like you, I have compiled a list of AI tools you should be using. Follow the link in the description to check them out. With Plus AI, generate top-tier presentations using hundreds of professional designs, perfect for impressing at work or acing school projects. Plus AI transforms your documents into professional PowerPoint presentations in minutes. Let AI streamline your workflow and reclaim your time. Do you have a deck already? Plus will quickly format and design your slides. It just upgrades your presentation game in just a few clicks. Plus allows you to work directly in PowerPoint and Google Slides. No more export hassles. You can collaborate effortlessly with colleagues and clients. With Plus AI, you can generate, edit, and translate presentations in Spanish, French, Portuguese, and beyond. This helps you to break language barriers with ease. There you have it. Start using Plus AI to create your stunning presentation today. Remember to use the link I have provided in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like and share this video, then let me know of your opinion about Plus AI in the comment section.